Oh yeah. Yeah. That's really good.
Yes, it is.
Sorry.
Never mind.
Okay.
That was so fucking That was really fucking good. Champion. That was only 8 ounces.
Yeah. Solid. Apricot tastes really good. I definitely should have done that one first. That was gross.
She's always gonna be the better.
Coconut berry's not bad. Oh, we made a mess.
My lip ring got on.
Oh my god.
That's why I was making. No, I only had one.
That's alright. Shake your tongue a little bit.
What the fuck? I'm broken. Taste buds. That's good.
That's so fun to do now.